Here's new viral apps called Stalkie, mobile detective, realistic investigation story. So, viral game is a immersive narrative investigation game where you become a detective and dive into a fake phone filled with fake apps, hidden data, deleted photos, secret conversations. Your mission as a detective is to explore every detail, connect the clues, and uncover the truth behind mysterious situations. Each case puts you in the shoes of a mobile detective, analyzing messages, browsing social apps, checking notes, galleries, calendars, and logged content. Nothing is random. Every contact or app can hide a crucial clue. Think like a real detective, observe carefully, and trust your instincts. So that's kind of the idea. Dig through a phone, explore Instagram photos, notes, answer the questions, solve the case, discover stories full of secrets. Super cool idea, and this app is going viral. So here's how it looks like. This kind of looks like, for example, you select this, and you see the story here. Here's kind of the story. And then you need to play. So here is fake phone of Jeremy. And then if you're ready to investigate, you can upgrade for 1 year or 1 week. But yeah, and then here you can just browse through kind of this kind of fake apps and see the questions. So questions in the top right, and then you need to find some things which are kind of you see question at the bottom right. First, can you check if he met a girl 3 days ago on May 25? If yes, tell me who, please, and then your answer. And that's, you just browse through the apps and try to discover what, maybe it's in calendar, like on 25th. So that's kind of, for example, you see this, all right. So let's check, that was easy, for example. So that was correct. So which app they're using? So you can see maybe Snapchat. So maybe photos. Maybe in chats. And then you can just basically see and try to answer it like that. So this is kind of, the app is super addictive game. So Snapchat. Why not this one? So that's kind of the idea how you just playing it. Again, here I'm on a free version, and probably you need to upgrade. So that's what it is. So yeah, there you have it. Kind of leave the episode. You can see settings, language, Stalkie Pro. You can see the details. All episodes unlocked. New episode all questions unlocked. No ads. So that's what you have. So try it out. You see all the episodes in here, and that's what it is.